Yes, hello everyone, this is Christina once again, and you all are welcome to my YouTube channel Christina's Diary. So, I hope you all will be doing good. So, here I am here with my another video. So, today I am going to make pickle, mixed pickle. So, the things I have taken from the home only. So, let me show that what I am going to use in pickle. Let's get we start next. So here you can see some ginger and garlic, and this one is chopped ginger and green chilies. So here is a lemon, and then I have taken salt. So first of all, what I will chop the things first. Yes, this is a garlic, and this is a homegrown garlic which I am going to chop. I am going to cut into two pieces. So in the same way I will cut all the all the cloves in two pieces. So now turn to chop ginger. Garlic I have chopped already, so you can see I have chopped it. So now we'll chop ginger okay, I have chopped the ginger. Now turn to chop green chili. So in the same way I am going to chop green chili. Yes, I have chopped the green chilies also. Now what I will do, I have take a mixing bowl. So I am going to add chili. And then ginger, chopped ginger, going to add. And make sure it should be dry. Everything should be dry. And then now I am going to take garlic. Yesterday I washed it before going to bed. Then I put it on in a basket to get it dry in this basket. So there should be no water. So now what I will do, yes, now my son Aaron is helping me to squeezing the, what is this? Lemon. Yes. Okay. Yes, we have squeezed the lemon. Then we are going to take next part. So now we'll add salt as per taste. I am going to add only 1 spoon, 1.5 spoon. This is a very small spoon. And what we will do now, I am not going to do steel chammach, another chammach. I am going to use this plastic spoon. And I have taken this ceramic bone china. Okay, let me do. Okay, so now we'll mix it nicely. As I think you are able to see that I have mixed all the things together. I have mixed I have put 1.5 lemon, and then 1.5 spoon salt. And then what I will do now, it is 11:15, so I will put I will keep aside, I will cover it, and this is a very healthy thing. So I will cover it and will keep for a whole night. Means now it is half day have gone, so now half day and one night I will keep covered, and tomorrow I will see. Let me see on tomorrow. Yes, hello everyone, you are welcome once again. So yesterday, yes, I put it into the salt and lemon, so you can see it has released the water after putting lemon yesterday. So now what we will do, I am going to make masala to mix into it. Okay, now as per our all the pickle stuff, so we have to use oil accordingly. It is a mustard oil which I am going to heat up. Very low flame. So on other side you can see some spices, whole spices I have taken. This one is a yellow mustard seeds, 1.5 spoon according as per the stuff I have taken. Then I have a small mustard, small brown mustard, 1 tablespoon. Yes, now this one is a black mustard seeds, 1 tablespoon and little bit more. So my gas stove is on very low flame. So now you can see here is that fenugreek seeds, methi dana 1 tablespoon. So I am roasting the seeds on very low flame, so that moisture, if moisture is here, so moisture can go, and it will bring a very good taste after little bit getting roast. Yes, now I can feel aroma. So now you can hear it is making sound, chat sound. So you can see it is jumping. So now it is almost done. So we'll switch off the gas stove. So now what I will do, I will add some more spices into it. I am going to add some more spices. Here I have taken some saunf, 2 tablespoonful saunf, and then I have taken ajwain, 1 tablespoon ajwain, and then 1 tablespoon clonji, half, approx 1 tablespoon, not a full tablespoon but half approx. So now I will mix it, because other seeds are already heated up. So now what I will do, so I will let it cool first. So you can see, now you can see all the seed I am going to transfer. So let it get cool first, cool down. So now I am going to use some basic masalas also. So here I have taken red chili powder according to taste. As per taste we will use it. And then I have taken turmeric powder, then salt, as per taste. So I will take little bit more salt because salt is very good for pickle. So here I have taken that coriander powder, 2 tablespoons coriander powder. So now I will mix it. I did not remove the water because that is a lemon water. So lemon water is good for pickle. So I have mixed it well. So now I will keep aside. Seeds has gone, now it is not going to make a complete powder in a powder form. It should be little bit kind of I will grind it not in a complete powder form. Yes, so now I am going to put it into a grinding jar to grind it. So you can see it is not into a completely powder form. It is a little bit thick. So I am going to add. So I am going to add into it. First I will take half portion. Yes. It is smelling so good, so yum after grinding. So you can see half portion I have taken. So first of all I will mix it nicely. So on other side, my oil is, you can see how is it looking. So I have taken half portion of that masala, so not going to put more. Okay, that's enough for it. So now what I will do, I will add oil, mustard oil. This will mix it well. So I have mixed it well, so you can see how this pickle is looking. So now what I will do, I have taken this glass jar. Actually it was there is no moisture in this glass box. So I will transfer it into a glass box. Okay. So now going to transfer into a jar with oil. So as you have seen that I have made pickle. So as you all have seen that I have made pickle. So now I will put it into a sunlight for 1 week to 10 days. So then we can use it, because I mixed vinegar also to keep for a long time. So I will stir it time to time. So if you liked my recipe, please like, share and subscribe my channel. If you are new to my YouTube channel, please follow my channel on Facebook also. Thanks for watching my video. God bless you all. Bye bye.